Party people! Hello, I'm Ashley. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute mini pole piñatas with stuff you've got lying around your house. It's fun because it's using toilet paper rolls, which I know you have a ton of right now. I do. Have a lot. I don't know what I'm doing. Here we go. Now that you've got your supplies together, let's grab our toilet paper tube and a strip of tissue paper. We're going to cut a square of tissue paper just big enough to fit the end of the tube, just like that. Next, take your glue and apply that all the way around the edge of the toilet paper tube and stick that into the middle of your tissue paper square. You want to make sure that that's pressed down really well because that's what's going to hold in our candy. Then set that aside to dry. Looks like ours is dry already. It's magic. So add some more glue around the tube and press all of the edges down. I was having a little bit of issue getting my glue to stick.
Why isn't this glue gluing?
Yeah. Well, I got it figured out in the end. So once that's done, it's time to take our tissue paper that we're going to use for fringe. I'm folding mine into fourths, and that makes cutting out the fringe a lot quicker. So you want to cut out a strip of tissue paper that's about 1.5 inches thick. Now we're going to make cuts all the way across that strip, going about halfway up. Once you're finished, you can unfold that and you have fringe. Now we're going to grab our tube again and apply glue all the way around. Now it's time to start applying our fringe to the tube. Well, there's some glue sticking where it doesn't need to stick. I like to start my fringe falling a little bit below the bottom of the tube. That way you don't see the bottom. And then you're just going to snip off the excess. Now you're just going to take all of the other colors that you're going to use in your piñata and do the same thing over and over again until you get to the top. I'm making the unicorn in the beginning of the video, so I'm using pink, white, and yellow and just repeating that pattern all the way up to the top of the roll. At this point, you can leave it as is, but I like my fringe to go all the way to the top. So for the last piece of fringe, I am going to fold it in half. I was having another issue with this part. Did not say it was going to be perfect, so there it is. I'm going to set that aside to dry and get started with the confetti. I'm going to take my strips of craft paper and cut some confetti out of that. I like to make some big chunks because I know at the end of all of this fun, I'm going to have to pick it up. And to me, these bigger pieces are easier to pick up, so there we go. For this next part, I cut out about 2 feet of ribbon that I'm going to use for the handles. So you want to use your hole punch and cut out holes on either side to tie that ribbon to. I'm just making simple little knots on each side and then tucking in the end so it's nice and clean like that. And here's the fun part. So we're gonna fill our piñata now with our confetti. Yep, just keep filling it with as much confetti as you want. There we go. Okay. And then put our candy, in this case, some Tootsie Rolls. To seal up our piñata, we're going to cut another square of tissue paper just like in the beginning and glue that to the top. We want to let that dry for just a few minutes to make sure that it's nice and secure before we move on to the next step. While you're waiting, that's a good time to get together your pieces for however you're going to decorate it. In this case, I am using my little unicorn face. So cute. Make sure it's nice and camera ready. There we go. Okay. Once it's dry, we're going to use our magical unicorn skills and clear our workspace. Where did it go? No. Just checking to make sure that's dry so we can cut off the excess tissue paper all the way around the tube. We are almost finished, and now it is time to decorate our piñata. And this wouldn't be a mini pole piñata without the pole. So I'm going to now cut out about 2 feet of ribbon again to use as that pole. And I want to give this a little bit of a curl, so I'm going to go ahead and take my ribbon and drag it along the blade of the scissors. Be very careful with this part. Our last step is to tape that pole to the bottom of our piñata. And there you have it, your finished mini pole piñata. You did it! Yay, you got a piñata. Hopefully there's something fun in it. And now all you have to do is pop it open or give it to your kids. That's probably why you would make it. That's why I made them, to give to my children, I think. I like this idea. I think it's great to have an a party where you don't want to have a big piñata because you don't want to have to worry about kids getting whacked with a bat. You've always got parents yelling, get back, because the kids, they get excited. And what's not to get excited about? And there's something you get to hit and candy falls out of it. That doesn't happen every day. So, it's much safer and more fun and super cute. And toilet paper rolls. Because you got them. Might as well use them. I have less now. It's almost too cute to dismember. Let's go rip it open.
Yay!
Okay, bye. Wait, one more thing. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing you everything party DIY every Monday.
Let's make something super fun together every week.
Isn't that exciting? And if you have any ideas or pins that you want me to show you how to do, let me know in the comments.